You and I both do it every 6 months, right?
It's Carrie, baby.
Yeah.
What's up, Carrie?
Y'all didn't see me in a long time, huh? I'm here.
Welcome back, girl. She ain't never went nowhere.
Never went nowhere. Y'all just didn't see me.
Yeah, you've been here. You never went nowhere.
Never went nowhere, baby.
So what are we doing on you today, Carrie?
I'm gonna get my knotless. Y'all probably remember this curler that I loved. Chrissy had done it first, and then after she did it, I tried, and I love her look on me. So we're getting that again.
Knotless.
I think it's number 30,
knotless.
right? Medium knotless, yeah. It's number 30.
So
It's
let's
really pretty.
started. She's in love with this color.
Yeah, I love it, man.
God. So let's
That
get
looks good on
started.
me.
All
True,
right.
we ain't never tried no other color, huh?
Right. Although we've done like
Purple
peekaboo.
and blue, but in braids. in
Yes.
cornrows.
But we've done
In
the
knotless.
peekaboo. We've done peekaboo on you, where we did the blue in the back. And
Yeah,
then
but that
black.
that was knotless?
Yes.
Oh, they
girl,
were
that's what
bigger.
We was yeah, we was at the other shop.
Yeah, we didn't.
I love
right,
that.
so we just never did medium.
Yeah. And
In
color.
in other colors, yeah. Because I think we ain't found another color that I like. To try it with.
Oh, you
this
know
one
what
is
I can
really
see
sweet.
you with though? I can see you with like a 99J burgundy.
What the hell is that?
Right, that's what I'm trying to.
Don't laugh at me.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
99J is like a burgundy. So think like a red, but a darker red. You will really see it when you're in the sun. So when the sun hit it, then it like, oh, shoot,
So would
she
you
got
do it
color.
just like this, where
No,
it's
it's
the
just
same
like that.
straight color, no black
other
and
color.
white? Yeah.
Mhm. And it's like a deep dark.
So maybe we could try this.
Pink purple, but a lighter shade of purple. So purple is dark.
Let's try it then. Why
Yeah.
you answer just that?
I don't know. I don't know. I'm just saying now. Like looking at that, I'm like,
Maybe I'll.
yeah, you'd be cute with the 99J.
You see no one in my complexion with it?
Yeah, because the 99J is mixed with black. So there's black streaks
it's
in
mixed
there.
with black. Oh.
There's black streaks in there. It's not like all red hair. You know what I'm saying? Like, and
But
that's
I
what
wouldn't
I'm saying.
mind if it's all red. Why? My hair
Your
already,
hair, exactly.
already so long. So.
And that's what I'm saying. Like when you're in the sun, depending on the light, you know what I'm saying? When it hits it, it's pretty. My sister-in-law, she dyed her whole hair 99J.
Oh really? It's pretty.
She always get that color. She loves it.
Oh.
Yeah. I think that'd be cute on you. We could do that next time.
Yeah, we should try it. Remember that Royal said she wants.
What are we doing for Royal?
I don't know. School ends in what? School ends
Do she
in
have-
about. She has about what, 10 days left.
What?
I can't. God knows.
Girl, what
That's
happened to this school
That's
year?
the one part, you know. Ooh, as awesome of a mom I am, and I
Yes,
know
ma'am.
it, but you
Yeah,
know I
girl, yes,
can't
you are.
stand that waking
That
up
can't
6
nobody
o'clock.
take that away from you, girl. You are
That's
an
one thing I
awesome
do
mama.
good. If I don't do nothing good, people, I'm a great mom, and I know it.
Yeah.
I know it. Trust me, I know
No,
it. Not
you
to
really
my
are.
horn, but I know it. Believe me.
You really are though.
But thank you. But people, the one part about this shit I don't like as a mom, boy, I hate that getting up 6 o'clock. I hate it. It's weird
To
because
take
after
her- to
get her dressed for school, I hate that part of it. Even though after she's off, and then that's when I do my little meditation. Then I do my couple of miles in the morning, my exercise.
Girl,
and I feel good after
far
coming
you run
back.
Again? How far you run again?
3-4 miles every morning
Sheesh.
with my dog. Frozen goes along too.
Oh, that's so cute.
Yeah, you know, because really it's good for her.
Yeah,
her
because
healthy.
technically that's her walk too.
It's
right?
her walk
Yeah, that's good.
to keep. Remember, she's about to be 9 next week. Can you believe
Oh,
it?
she's the only.
Frozen is about to be. She doesn't know. Don't you ever say that. Don't you ever say that.
That's
Because
just
that dog.
Oh,
No, but she doesn't know. And don't nobody ever see Frozen and think she's older than 2 or 3 because she looks so good.
Yeah. No,
And you know that's she do.
And she's still hyper. She's still like.
And from what I'm understanding is because what she's eating, so it keeps her coat looking fresh, and you know what I mean. So she
And you
looks
keep
so
up
good.
with her too.
You know, girl. You know, I don't play with that. That's my child.
Yeah.
You know what's funny? So when I left the dentist this morning with Royal, I called PetSmart right away to make Frozen's appointment. I was like, Carrie, you and your 2 kids. But
God.
yeah, Frozen goes on the 20th. But
Oh.
yeah, she got to go get her exam as well.
So for Royal, do she have any swimming class this year?
Yeah, we're gonna let her
For the
still.
summer?
Yeah, but the braid, that's why it's perfect to come get the knotless. So I'm not washing it out. You know what I mean?
Okay. So with her knotless, we have to do them
Or she said she wanted color. Are you willing to give her color?
That's fine. There's kids colors as long as we're not ODing it.
But you know, she just can't do it. Right, so she could do it for the summer because her school, right? You know, they're too strict. But
oh yeah, we can do color on her. Should be cute with it.
I just don't think the colors that Royal want though.
What color she trying to get?
I want to wear pink. Where the hell you gonna get pink?
Girl,
for a kid?
There's pink
for kids.
What? Girl, pink is the #1 color for kids with hair.
In hair? In Little Looks, the brand that we buy.
Yep. Girl, you haven't been to that hair store. That's why. You haven't. We haven't done anything on you in a little minute.
Yeah.
Girl, it's a new day. Okay, these kids got
because
color.
if we remember when you did Color and Royal probably 2 years ago, there was no pink. You know that, right?
No,
it was more like the blended.
Girl, let me tell you something. There's colors for these kids. Okay, so what we can do for Royal, yes,
people I didn't know that.
Girl, real life. What we can do for Royal, we can do like maybe like highlights, like a few braids, or we can just do the bottom. I don't want her to have color all over her hair.
Right? Please don't do that. No. So probably you'd have to buy like 2 black and 1 pink or something.
Girl.
So do what you. So you buy it then. When you go back and just get it then, because
girl, I definitely. You know, I provide hair now.
Right. So that's why I'm telling you to get it, because she comes in. 1 second work. Let me see what he's saying. One of my artists.
You said one of your artists?
Yeah. Daddy, I don't know if you remember. Remember we first agreed to put that little brownish color in her hair? It was like 2 years ago. There was never no pink. Yeah. They had like a burgundy.
She wanted pink too back then, huh?
She wanted pink back. That's what I'm saying. There wasn't, because we had checked.
Girl, let me tell you. I just got back from my trip. Girl, when I say hair store galore, it's like it feels like hair store heaven. The amount of freaking different hair.
What city?
Georgia.
In Georgia? What store you went to? Where?
The same store here, Beauty Masters, but the one in Georgia is just as crazy.
But we're in Georgia though, in Atlanta itself, or you was in the city? Okay. Remember, I gotta ask because it could be Stone Mountain, Decatur, wherever. So okay.
I'm recording this like non-stop. I'm running to show the whole
And guess
thing.
what happened? If this shit wasn't selling, they wouldn't have them.
Oh, of course.
It means that people are. Well, that'd be nice. Wow, you know what you'd have loved that for, but she can't have it. She would have loved that for her birthday. But she can't. It's during school. I keep telling her, Roy, your birthday is in the school year. So
for school,
just like she wanted to do her nails, and I'm like, I'm not gonna. You can't go to school with painting nails.
Yeah.
In the summer you could do all that, but you can't. During school, you gotta respect their rules.
I'm about to say she'll get it. Like, okay, I can do this.
Love telling me that. Oh, man, the big kids. Yeah, they're in high school. You're in lower school. You can't.
Oh, because she get to see the big kids.
Yeah,
too,
remember
right?
she see the big kids, and the big kids come down to their grades and get credits and stuff when they assist them. So she loved to tell me what the big kids do.
The big kids
Girl, you ain't one of them damn big kids. She don't know that part though. So she
not the big kids.
She always saying that. Certain stuff she like to take, whether it's hair color, nails, something. What it seems like they allow the older kids or the seniors maybe to do.
A little?
Yeah, because I guess it's on their last year. They're about to graduate, so it seems like they allow them to do it. But little girl, you can't get them damn things.
Girl, you can get them during the summer.
During the summer, yeah.
That's right, you guys. This video is just to simply catch up with my girl while also working and having a few kikis, kakas, and it's just always so good to have Miss Carrie, baby, sitting in my chair. You guys, it's always nothing but good times. So like we mentioned in the beginning, you guys, we are doing medium knotless box braids on Carrie. And I am using about 2.5 packs of the Expression pre-stretch hair.
Mom, I think I should change my password. So I was like, why do you need to change your password? She's like, well, you know, now that I have a new iPad and I'm going to be 8, I'm 10 in 2 years.
Oh my God.
Because her new thing is I'm going to be 10 in 2 years. So that's the thing. I was just telling her dentist, it's a thing now. I'm 10 in 2 years. So she's like, this iPad has more stuff than my other. I said, Royal, news break. All your iPads have the same thing. Mommy just never thought you needed them. Yeah. Because, you know, now you could call her iPad now. She has a phone number now.
Oh, there's phone numbers for it now?
Yeah, because this one is cellular. So so even when she comes to see you, if you don't put her on Wi-Fi, We can still communicate because she has data.
Oh my
But still
God.
use
So
it,
now
but
she
put
got
on Wi-Fi though.
Now she
got
got
an iPhone really. So she has cellular and Wi-Fi. Remember normally her other iPads, the other two in the past were just Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
So now the whole purpose now is if she's here with you or wherever the hell she at, and I'm not with her,
you can still call her.
we can still communicate on the data.
Girl.
But you know me, when she's home or when she comes to you, still keep on Wi-Fi to save the data. Because you know they be seeing unlimited data, and that's bullshit.
Girl,
after a while, that shit slows down.
Of course it is.
So I don't believe in just not using it.
Yeah.
But she has that now, so her iPad have a phone bill.
Stop.
I think it's $20 a month or something.
Girl, stop it.
Yeah. So she has data now. So.
Oh my
So
Lord.
she's thinking that this iPad just has all these things, and I'm like, Royal, news break. All your other iPads could do the same thing. Mommy just never gave you access to those things.
It's just a new update.
I didn't think you needed them, child.
Yeah.
So that's why you ain't get them. And nothing new. You could have been at Cellular. You could have been at Siri.
No facts.
Because I did make her set up Siri. So she wanted to put on her
Girl, please don't tell me
her fingerprint. She talking to Siri now. So she wanted to do her fingerprint. I'm like, no, let's use your passcode.
Yeah.
So because I'm sitting here like,
girl, I don't
think she needs to use the fingerprint.
I don't use my fingerprints. I don't use my face recognition.
Right, and she too little. So I'm like, I ain't doing none of that crap. Use a passcode. So she came to me, was it yesterday or the day before? Probably Sunday evening. Okay, Mom, so I think it's time we change my password. My password is, I'm like, what's happened to your other password? Listen, it's lame. Because remember, that's the word she used. Because remember, you know, Apple allow you to just put the iPad side by side and just switch it over. So everything came from the old iPad to the new one with passcode, everything the same. That little child gonna tell me on Sunday that she think it's lame because it's the same. I'm like, Royal, it wasn't lame when you did it. It's lame now. So I'm saying, you know, it's 6 digits, right? So I'm saying, what is it gonna be? She said some numbers. I'm like, you ain't gonna remember that? I ain't gonna remember that, girl. Royal, it took me and her back and forth because she sent some numbers. Who's gonna remember the numbers? So she finally came up with one. Now that I guess her brother just called me. Crap.
Just now?
Tiger, yeah.
I have plenty how-to videos for knotless box braids, and like always, you guys, I always prefer to section my hair off first. And if you notice, we have a total of 6 rows, 2 behind the ears and the other 4, of course, is above. And like everything else, you guys, when it comes to the knotless box braids, always start to braid the hair naturally by itself first, and then you're going to slowly start to add small pieces. You start off with 3 strong pieces first, and then once you get that in good and tight, then you're going to add another piece and another piece. And then after, I think like the 4th, 5th pieces, to be honest, you're just adding for length at that point. So you want to make sure your base is strong, firm before, you know, continuing. I can drop more links down below, you guys, for a better how-to tutorial. But I am extremely excited for this right here, you guys, because I went out and I purchased myself a little gadget to make it a little bit easier for you guys to see. So this new gadget, you guys, I purchased it on Amazon. I will also have the link down below as well. And that right here, you guys, so far so great, okay? I just wrap it around my neck and it just clicks right in, and that base right there is where your phone goes. Always make sure you take your phone out of the case before putting it directly on there, but the magnetic on there is so strong that your phone is not going to slip off. And honestly, I just love it because look at this angle right here. I can actually do close up angles for you guys. I can do on top of the head now without having to constantly worry about my ring light or my tripod. So I think this is super effective and I love it, and I'm loving the view. I hope you guys are liking it as well. Just look at that view. Oh my God, I love it. I love it. I love it. I hope you guys are able to see better as far as the angle, and I hope that you're able to comprehend a little bit better now that it's up close. So let me know in the comments down below if this was a good buy or if I wasted my time and it's almost the same angle as before. Okay. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Yay. Thank you guys so very much for spending this time with me and Miss Carrie, baby. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the thumbs up and hit the notifications. Do all of that good stuff. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace and love.